Welcome back. In Business Tonight, Malaysia's economy grew 4.4% in the second quarter of 2025 from a year earlier and was unchanged from the first quarter. Now, Bank Negara said growth was driven by robust household spending and positive labour market conditions. On a quarter-on-quarter basis, the economy grew 2.1%, 3 times the pace of growth in the previous 3 months. Melissa Goh reports.
Now, speaking after releasing the second quarter GDP growth numbers, it came in at 4.4%. Its central bank governor reassured that the country is entering the challenging global environment from a position of strength. Now, with strong domestic consumption expected to buffer slower exports in the second half as front-loading activities wane and the tariff effect starts to kick in.
We are operating in a different environment now, an environment where changes happens very quick and very uncertain. Forecasting is challenging, but that's where we need to have assumptions that is broad enough for us to be able to capture the possible growth range for the country. So the 4 to 4.8% would broadly capture the possibilities in this. And it's something that this uncertainty is something that a new normal that we'll have to live in.
Now, meanwhile, higher tourist arrivals and sustained investment momentum, including positive labour market conditions, he said, will also help to bolster growth in the second half. Now, as a preemptive measure, the central bank cut interest rates for the first time in 5 years in July to 2.75%. Now, this as inflation is projected to moderate to between 1.5% to 2.3% this year, while the ringgit has strengthened 5.1% against the greenback in the second quarter. Now, the central bank governor, however, did not weigh in whether another interest rate cut is in the offing later this year. Melissa Goh, CNA, Kuala Lumpur.